of my dog just Diane. Book a blood clot, big client. Hey, why you call that giant? We not trap 5 bills, we not lick.
Catch a Guzu Bunx while you left out. Inna the club, inna the streets. Catch the rocket unique. Mix the wanted with.
They want a gorilla. Up on a villa with whores and killers. Want no millions of Lynk up shell. I'm scared to fear the exile.
And chain a jeep Papi eyes. And if mommy cry, something off the sacrifice. And this a thing and I no mocking night. Man, I seen a
heart be racing like a drum, drum, drum. Feel it in my soul.
We get the struggle times 3. See friends chicken out, now it make me like beef. Feel me meds always a than life thief. Yo, heart feels.
Let it from me a it start. Hit bust like coconut. Rinsey machine make gunshot soap locks. Me no gimmicks, me no smile like.
Yes, at times like this, boy switch, gal switch. Don't real, so I straight demolish.
Fully paranoid, me no leave the college. Me got.
I can't do this anymore.
Yo, me shouldn't fuck her.
So why you do that?
Me shoulda. So cute cranny. No teeth, no scratch, what Barbie. Me be a girl tongue on it. Me have a chop a girl down a chan.
She just a bubble and drink and smoke and bubble happy. Make me feel nice. Me feel nice. Drink and smoke and.
Let's go on the beat 100.
When I did The Grinch, literally the makeup was like being buried alive every day. And then Brian Grazer came in, and being the fix-it man, and came up with a brilliant idea, which was to hire a gentleman who is trained to teach CIA operatives how to endure torture. If you're freaking out and you start to spiral downward, turn the television on, change a pattern, have someone you know come up and smack you in the head, you know, punch yourself in the leg, so it was, or smoke as much as you possibly can. So I was this Grinch sitting give me a light. And this giant cigarette holder, so the yak hair wouldn't go on fire. And, it was horrifying. Wow. It was horrifying. I was just like, it's for the kids, it's for the kids, it's for the kids.